A Tampa police officer with 18 years on the job needs your help.
That's right. As our Frank Barrera reports, his fellow officers are hoping the public will give him the support he needs as he fights for his life.
Corporal Jonathan Belk works in Tampa Police Department's District 3, serving the people in neighborhoods like Ybor City, Tampa Heights. But he recently had to go on medical leave after being diagnosed with an aggressive form of cancer.
Corporal Belk, he's worked in several different areas of the Tampa Police Department. He's also a military veteran, and he's well-liked. He's a very hard worker.
Tom Singleton with the Tampa Police Benevolent Association says Corporal Belk is fighting the good fight, and when an officer needs help, they come together. But this time, they need your help.
It was decided that we would have a raffle in his name, and to be able to help offset any expenses that he's incurring while he works through this medical condition that he has.
The raffle is for a new iPad. For every $5 donated, you get an entry to win. The PBA has already raised over $4,000, and 100% of the money from the raffle will be going to help Corporal Belk fight cancer.
We come together from all over, and whenever there is a member in need, again, that's what the PBA as well as its members, we try to identify a way that we can help each other in times of need.
The drawing will be held on December 20th. In Tampa, Frank Barrera, ABC Action News.